Oh, there you are. I was starting to wonder where you'd run off to. And you know I don't like baking alone. It's more fun when you're here with me. Come in, come in. The kitchen is all warm and cozy, and I've already got everything set up. I was just about to start on something extra special today. Cherry pie. There's nothing quite like a freshly baked cherry pie filling the house, don't you think? All right, let's get started. Here's what we'll need. The ingredients are 2½ cups all-purpose flour for the crust. Next, we need 1 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 6 tablespoons of ice water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. For the cherry filling, we need 4 cups of fresh cherries, pitted. Next, we need 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Then, we need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Then we need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, we need 1 tablespoon of butter for dotting on top. First, let's make the crust. In a big bowl, we mix the flour, sugar, and salt. Then we take our cold butter and cut it into the flour mixture until it looks like little pea-sized crumbs. Now, slowly add in the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until the dough just comes together. No overmixing, or the crust won't be flaky. Wrap it up and let it chill while we work on the filling. For the filling, we take our lovely cherries, so plump and juicy, and mix them with sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. This helps them get all syrupy and sweet. Now we roll up our dough and fit it into a pie dish. Pour in the cherries. Dot a little butter on top. Then roll out the second half of our dough for the top crust. You could do a lattice if you're feeling fancy, or just lay it over and crimp the edges. Oh, and don't forget to cut a few slits on top so the pie can breathe. Pop it into the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and let it bake for about 45 to 50 minutes until golden brown and bubbly. And oh, the smell? Absolutely heaven! Now we wait. But that just means more time for us to chat. Maybe sip on some tea while the kitchen fills with that warm, buttery scent. Once it's done, we let it cool a bit before cutting into it, though I know it's tempting, very tempting. Serve it up with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, and you've got yourself a perfect, cozy treat. Oh, yummy. I can already taste it. I hope you love it as much as I do, my little star. Now tell me, what should we bake next?